Hello, myself I am Darshan Verma and I have designed a structure of 23-story high-rise building, and in video I have assigned a different types of material properties and section property to this structure. And now by using a different combinations of loads, I have choose a seismic load, and by using a method of response spectrum method I have analyzed this structure. So by combination of this both, the set load cases to be run is seismic load and response spectrum, and I will now run the analysis on the 20-story building. So now, after analyzing by using a different seismic load criteria, so I have analyzed this building by using response spectrum method. So after analyzing the building, there is a design check. So in design check, there is a start design check. After starting the design check, we will get we can get the different types of bending moment and shear force for each beam and column. So after this design check, there is a verification of the members if all the members is passed or not. So the all the concrete frame has passed the design check, so it means that we have successfully analyzed the building by using a response spectrum method. Now further I will analyze this same 20-story structure by using a time history analysis. By going in the function, I can define the time history, and I have took the data, and I will analyze the 23-story building by using a time history analysis. And now I will analyze the building by using seismic load and the time history analysis, and run now. So now, while using time history analysis method, I have analyzed again the same structure, and now I will go for a design check if my all the members is safe or not. So I will check the design. See, now when I check the design, I've got some of the values on each of the member. It shows the area, how much area is provided over there. By using this area, we can know how much steel is to be provided over there in that particular beam. And now we will verify all the members has been passed or not. So all the concrete frame has been passed the design check, so it means all the members are safe and this design is can be carried out. Thank you so much.